Welcome back student. Today our topic is conjunction, a grammar lesson. So we all ready for that? Yes. You all ready for that? Okay. What are the conjunction? Do you think student what are the conjunction? We'll learn here, okay? Conjunction. We use conjunction to connect words, phrases, causes and sentences. Conjunction commonly used conjunction include and, but, or, so, because. Okay, student, why do we need conjunction? Do you think about that? So today we'll discuss why do we need conjunction. Okay, conjunction are used to give more information, give alternative, give reason, give result, or give unexpected information. Okay, for that we are using conjunction. Do you understand, student? Here are some examples. So, with the help of example, we understand what is a conjunction. Here and how to use and I like chocolate and bananas. My brother can play the violin and he can sing. So here and will use. But I like oranges, but I don't like strawberry. My sister can ride a bicycle, but she can't drive. Okay, here but will use. Or would you like tea or coffee? When two different words are there, we use or. Okay, we can go to zoo on Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. So here Saturday and Sunday both are different. Say we are using or. Okay, so I study hard. I pass the test. Okay, he played football in the rain, so he got sick. He was very tired, so she, she was very tired, so she went to bed early. Because I passed the test because I studied hard. He was sick because he had played football in the rain. She went to bed early because she was very tired. Now it's your turn, student. Do you face the challenges? Accept my challenge, everyone. Now I'll give some here, some 12 sentences over here. You have to fill proper conjunction. I read one by one. And, but, or, so, because. I did like to go that. I have to study for my test tonight. So here you have to put proper conjunction. Second, I can't speak German dash. It is very difficult language. Third one, he can play tennis dash golf very well. So you have to put proper conjunction over here. It's your challenge. It's I'm giving challenge to you people. So you have to put proper. Lastly, I'll give answer. Don't worry. Fourth, there are lots of car park dash parking can be difficult. Fifth, he didn't arrive in time dash he got up late. Six, do you want tea dash coffee with your work breakfast. Seven, the potatoes are too salty dash I can't eat them. Eight one, she drinks tea dash eat toast for breakfast. 9, he was frightened dash he had been watching a horror movie. 10, they didn't study dash they failed the exam. 11th one, you can pay your bill by cash dash credit card. He studied hard, he didn't pass his examination. So you have to put proper conjunction over there. So I guess student you all are you all done with your answer. So you have to match your answer with the given. You match your answer with, I'll given proper answer. You'll match whatever you done. It is right or no. You self analyze yourself because we are doing online teaching. I'm not there with you. So you analyze your answer is correct or no. First, but second, because third and fourth, so fifth, because six or seven, so eight and nine, because and then so 11th or 12th. But I hope you all understand. Okay, thank you for watching my video.